In this video, we're going to try to find the relationship between these angles, alpha, beta, and gamma. So these are three identical squares that we stack side by side. And we form the diagonals as shown in the picture. So this is the first diagonal, this is the second one, this is the third one. And we form these angles by the diagonals and the sides of the first square, the first rectangle, or the second square, and the third or the last square. Okay, so we want to see how to compute these angles, alpha, beta, and gamma, and see the relationship between them. Okay, so the first thing that we can do here is that we can see that we can easily find this angle here. So here we can see that this angle is pi over 4. Okay, why? Because it's clear from the picture that this angle, because this is an isosceles triangle having this angle 90, and these two angles are the same, therefore it's pi over 4. Okay, so the next one we're going to compute beta. Okay, beta and gamma. Okay, but we can do one more thing here. Okay, we can compute the tangent. Okay, so now clearly we see that alpha is pi over 4. So here alpha is pi over 4. Okay, so now we can compute the tangent. So the tangent of beta plus gamma, and we know by the rules that this angle is equal to the tangent of beta plus the tangent of gamma over 1 minus tangent of beta times tangent of gamma. So we can compute tangent of beta, okay, as we see here that the tangent is a over 2a, which is 1/2. Okay, because it's a over 2a. The tangent of gamma is just a over 3a, which is 1/3. And therefore we have tangent of beta plus gamma, which is 1/2 plus 1/3 over 1 minus 1/2 times 1/3. So which is gonna be 5 over 6 over 5 over 6, which is 1. Therefore, since beta plus gamma is less than pi over 2, and it's between 0 and pi over 2, therefore the only value that can give us beta plus gamma is pi equals 1, is pi over 4. Okay, and we have shown that alpha is pi over 4. Therefore this means that alpha is beta plus gamma. So this is how we do it. If you want to do one more computations, you can compute the cosine. But the cosine requires the computation of this one, the hypotenuse. It is this one and this one and this one. We don't want to do that. Okay, so we want to focus on what we have, and what we have is very easy. So we can clearly get the result. The next step, the next problem that we're going to solve is we're going to see what relation we get between alpha and beta and gamma if we get these the angles defined in this manner. So instead of getting the diagonals, we're gonna do the halves. Okay, so here this is our first angle, the new angle. So let's call it alpha, and the second angle we're gonna call it beta, and the third angle we're gonna call it gamma. Okay, so what's the relationship now between these new angles? Okay, so these angles are not the one connecting the diagonals, but the halves with this side. Okay, this side of the square. So what's the relationship now? Okay, work it out. It's coming.